MarineMax. My name is Larry Vogt, and I'm going to go over this 250 Solstice that we've just gotten in at our Jacksonville location. This beautiful boat is powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado, complete with electronic shift and power steering. This boat has every option you can think of, including a premium sound system with 8 speakers, a subwoofer. We've got speakers in the back, stereo controls at the rear platform as well, and a really cool lounge seat that converts the lane out on the back of the boat. Moving forward at the helm, we've got a fully adjustable helm seat, slides up and forward, up and down, armrests that come up, very comfortable. We've got a 9-inch SIMRAD display with GPS, sonar, all of our engine functions. You see the JL audio control unit, beautiful wakeboard tower with a bimini top. We've got in-floor storage for skis, wakeboards, just general storage. Every seat in the house has storage underneath, and we've got a changing station over here that drops down with a privacy curtain. Come see us at MarineMax at Beach Marine in Jacksonville.